So today I want to give you a brief introduction to easyCheck's functionality and the backend user interface. So easyCheck is the one-stop solution for remote voice and video analysis. It enables customers to run remote checks, which previously required the deployment of field service engineers and hardware on site. Basically, so how does easyCheck work? We're going to run you through the backend today. We're going to show you the configuration. We're going to generate the test app, which we will then download and then execute all the All-IP tests. This will take no longer than 2 or 3 minutes to run the tests. Then we're going to run you through the report. First, a traffic light report. This is what the end customer sees, and then a detailed report for supporters and network engineers. Good. I'm now going to open the easyCheck. easyCheck is completely cloud-based. We'll use a web browser to navigate the backend. I'm currently using Firefox, but you can as well use Google Chrome or Edge or Safari, any browser you like. This is our backend. We see different tests right here. I'm now going to navigate to settings where we have different test profiles. I'm going to activate the default profile and run you through the settings. We can run different checks. Here we have our network checks, LAN checks. Here we can define our wide area network checks, the WAN checks. We have the different call parameters we can set, the number of parallel connections, for example, the different ports, and of course the quality analysis, the speech quality analysis, where we are using PESC, for example, which is ITU certified, the International Telecommunication Union. Here we can define thresholds, and basically that is already it. So everything here can be adjusted. We would then save our profile and then execute the test. So now I'll navigate back to tests, where we will now generate the test. We tick the correct profile, our default profile. Not going to do any PCAPs, nothing special here, but I will just generate the test link now. The test link would normally be emailed or would be integrated into the customer system, fully automated. We're now just gonna generate the test and execute the test using our web browser. So now we copy the test link into the browser, execute the test. The test now discovered that we are running Microsoft Windows, downloaded the file. We will now execute the file, which will then start the test immediately. Okay, we're now executing the test. Little system warning. I'm now acting as the end customer. So I'm currently the one executing the test without any knowledge. There's nothing you need to know. Simply run the file, agree to the terms and conditions, which we do now. This is our default profile. Now we say, okay, start test. Okay, accept. And now what is happening now? We're in phase 1 now. So phase 1, currently the test app is getting the configurations file from the server. Now phase 2, we're actively running all the tests. So first we're going to run our gateway and network checks. That might take a little while. And we're going to run a real phone call, which means we're going to call, we're going to send a reference file and then analyze the reference file to mathematically analyze the speech quality. As I said before, this is a well-known algorithm we are using here. It's called PESC, which is accepted by all the carriers. So the test is still running. We're at 22%. It usually takes between 2 and 3 minutes. We see here already it says, okay, that will be roughly 2 minutes, down to 60 seconds now. I think this is when the test starts to send the speech file now. It's going to be a 20 seconds call. Then it will receive the file again. So our test platform, the cloud platform, then returns the call, accepts the call, returns the call, and plays back. Phase 3 is starting now. Phase 3 means that the results of the test will be transmitted to the to the cloud platform, where it is then analyzed, and we will see a first report. So we can now see the results of the test. The result is okay. The test worked. This is a very easy overview for the end customer, where he can only see whether anything was really good, then it's green. If there's anything which is not okay or slightly, then it's yellow, and tests that failed actually are red. As we can see here, everything is fine. Ping time is a bit high, and the round trip time, of course, is a bit high too. But yeah, the test actually found something in the network, and the results are okay. I will now close this window, and we'll have a look at the detailed report. This is the report for support engineers, technical engineers. We navigate back to the test that we just executed, and here we see our test again, and down here we just click. We see the overview again, and then we can download our protocol. This is going to be a PDF. So we download and open the PDF, and this PDF gives us a detailed overview about all the LAN checks, WAN checks, gateway checks, call quality, the codecs we use. So very detailed technical information, 13 pages in total, which will help engineers to troubleshoot if there are any problems, or which will enable you to run site acceptance tests, do site handovers. This is everything we need to tell if the connection is working and if there's any problem, to identify where the problem is. So 13 pages, detailed information. That's basically all we need to know about easyCheck. I'll show you my contact information. Please do get in touch if you have any questions or if you would like to learn more about easyCheck.